morning, students. How are you all? Yes, I'm also fine. So, I hope you all are doing good. So, let's start our today's topic. I hope you will enjoy this class. Yes, very good, very nice. So, I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer it. Yes, students, if I allow you or ask you to count something, right? If I allow you to count something, so from where you will start counting the objects, right? Let's suppose I have these number of markers in my hand and I ask you to count them, right? I hope these markers are totally visible to all of you. If I ask you to count them, so from where you will start the counting? Yes, very good. So you will start counting any object from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, depending on the number of the object we have to count. Very good, student. So do you know the numbers starting from 1 are known as? Yes, very good. So numbers starting from 1 to and what's the end point here? Yes, very good. So the end point is last digit of our counting. So a number starting from 1 to last digit, they are known as what? They are known as natural number. Very good, students. So the number starting from 1 to last digit, they are known as natural number. Okay. Suppose, students, if I will add 0 in front of this collection of numbers, right? If I add 0 in front of this collection, so what should I give the name to this collection? Okay, yes, any guesses from your side? Yes, exactly. So if I add 0 to this collection, so we will call it as whole number. Very right, student. And if we start any number from 1 to last digit, so that will known as natural number. Very good. So yes, students, so our today's topic is, so our today's topic is about whole number, right, students? So we will study about whole number. Yes. Now are you able to define whole number? Yes. So the collection of natural numbers along with 0 is known as whole number, right? If I have a collection of collection of numbers here, and these numbers are starting from 3, 4, 2, right? 17 is there, 23 is there, 39 is there, 1000 is there. So this type of collection of number is known as natural number. Very great, students. So now if I add 0 to this collection of numbers, so it will known as, yes, you beta. Yes, very right. So this will known as whole number. So yes, in your wording, in your layman language, whatever will the definition coming into your mind, please share with me. Share with us. Yes. So collection of numbers, collection of natural number along with 0 is known as whole number. Very good, students. Yes, students. So now I am going to write some keywords in front of you which you have done in your earlier classes. So you have to tell me what do you mean by that. Okay. So this is the keyword which I have written. So what do you mean by this keyword? What is written over here? Yes. So it is predecessor. So what do you mean by predecessor? Very right. A number succeeding or previous. Yes. Suppose I have this number. Okay. And you have to tell its predecessor. And this is the topic which you have done in your earlier classes also. So you have to tell me its predecessor. So what will be the predecessor of this number? Yes. First of all, anybody stand up and please tell me number which I have written on the board. Very good. Yes, so this number is 10,293. Very good, students. So now, beta, what is the predecessor of this number? Yes, so what should I do? I should subtract 1 or add 1? Subtract. Very good. So when I subtract this number from 1, so I will get a predecessor. Very good. So the predecessor of this number will be 10,292. And one more trick if you want to remember, because there is some chances still students are confused between predecessor and successor. What will be the previous and the succeeding one? So pre means previous, right? So you have to remember, pre means previous, you have to give a number before. So for this number we have, if we want to give the predecessor, so we have to subtract the number from 1. The number from 1, so we will get the predecessor. Okay, very good, students. So now again we have one new keyword in front of us. What is written over here? Yes, successor. So what do you mean by successor? We have to add one number or we have to subtract one number? Very right. Again I am taking the same number, 10,293. And if I want to give it successor, so what should I do? Very good. So I have to add one number to get its successor. So the successor of this number will be 10,294. Correct? And from success you have to remember that success, we are succeeding. So we are getting above. We are getting above, or we are rising. There must be a addition. We are step by step, we are going in forward direction. Very right, students. So yes, students, so there is one question depending on what we have learned here now. So this is the number and you have to tell me which is the successor and which is the predecessor of among these two numbers. Okay. So yes, this is the number and this is the number before the given number. So this is predecessor or successor? Yes. So very good, students. So this is the predecessor. Okay. So what about this number? Very good. So this is the successor. I hope this concept is understood to everyone. Very right, students. So now one more question from my side to you. Okay. So verbally I am asking you, if I add 0 to the collection of natural number, so what type of numbers we will get? Very good. So we will get a whole number. Very right, students. Let's proceed forward. Okay. Now students, as you tell me, if we add 0 to the collection of whole numbers, so that will be the whole numbers. If we add 0 to the natural numbers, so we will get a collection of whole numbers. So now, yes beta, you please tell me what will be the successor of 1. Verbally you have to tell. Very right. So the successor of 1 will be 2. And predecessor of 1 here is 0. Very right. So now if I talk about what is the predecessor of 0 in the whole number collection, does it have any predecessor? Right. 0 is the number which does not have any predecessor in the whole number collection. Okay. So now can you tell me what is that number which doesn't have any succeeding number? Which doesn't have, yes, very right. So the last digit of our counting does not have any successor. Very right, students. So such kind of questions may be asked from you in objective type or 1-2 marks. Right, students? Yes, students. I have drawn something on the board. You have to identify what I have drawn. Yes. Okay. A line. A line should have, in both sides it has arrow. Okay. Yes. It's a ray? No. Okay. Line segment. Yes. So, It's a number line, right students? So number line, but now I have a twist for you. Yes, you have to observe very carefully now. Here I have done something, right? Please tell me what I have done here. Yes. Now it is visible to all of you, I think. Yes, I have changed something here. What I have changed? Yes, anybody can ask, tell me. Yes, any answer from your side? Very right. So I have fixed a point here and there is no limit. There is no limit and there is a limit. So what we are doing? Whole number. So what we will learn? Whole number, number line. Right students? So our whole number are starting from 0. So it has a fixed starting point now. So that's why we have to start our number line of whole number from 0. Okay. Now at equal distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now at equal distance we have our numbers in a proceeding manner. So now if I want to ask you the distance between two numbers, right? If I say here and here or anybody or anywhere in the line, right? The distance between two points is known as, yes, anybody from the class? Any guesses from your side? The distance between two number lines is, yes, so this is known as unit distance. Okay, please jot down these things. It's very important. Yes, so this is a new thing in your syllabus also. So jot down this number line along with the unit distance I have written here. Okay, so now what about the starting point? This is 0. So 0 will be known as reference point. Okay, so when anybody asks you what is the reference point in whole number line, so what you will say? 0. Very good. And the distance between two succeeding or continuous numbers is known as unit distance. Very right students. So I hope this is well clear to all of you, right? Yes students, so now you have to tell me what operations we will done in the number line. On the number line, what operations we can operate? Yes, any guesses from your side? Yes, very good. So from what operation we will start? Addition. Okay, so let's check for the addition, right? So I am writing here, if we want to add 2 plus 3, here we have to write 2 plus 3. So what will be the answer? We want to represent addition on the number line. So what we will do? Please watch carefully. We have 2 here, na? We have 2 here. So we will fix it. We will fix it. So we will start counting 3. So 1, first jump, 2, second jump and 3. So because here 2 plus 3 is there, so we will start our counting. We will fix 2 and how many jumps we will take? 3. And you have to take jumps in unit distance. We can't do like this in addition, right? We will jump in unit distance. So how many jumps I have to make? 3. So first jump, second jump and third jump. So third jump will be our answer. So 2 plus 3 will be 5. I hope this is understood to everybody. Yes? Very right students. As you understood about the number line, so I am going to give you one question which you have to done by yourself. Okay? I have shown you the addition of 2 plus 3 which I have represented on the number line. Similarly, you have to do by your own 2 plus 4. Okay? Everybody jot down this question, make number line in your notebook and add these numbers 2 plus 4 on the number line. Yes. So now, yes, quickly response to me how you have done your question. Please show me. Yes, very right. So what we have to do? We have to, so we will fix 2 here, and please tell me, stand up. Yes. So how many jump I have to take? 2 or 4? 4, very good. So first jump, right? Second jump, and should I take like this or unit distance only? Unit distance, very good. Third jump is there and fourth jump is there. So 2 is there and 4 jumps are here. So what will be its answer? 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. And this is the way in which we have to represent on the number line addition. Right, students? I hope this is understood to everybody. Please jot down these questions. Yes, so students, here are 2 questions in front of you. I am asking you verbally and you have to tell me. 0 in the number line of whole numbers, it is known as, I have told you earlier, no? So 0 is represented as what on the number line of whole numbers? Yes, very right. So it is known as reference point. Very good, students. Okay. So yes, any other student, please stand. Yes, you stand up and now tell me the distance between 2 consecutive numbers on a whole number line. What we will call it? Yes, distance. Yes, distance is there, but what kind of distance? How much distance is in between these 2 numbers? 1, single. So what should we answer it? Yes, unit distance. Very good. So you have to tell unit distance. Very right, students. So I hope this is understood to everybody. If there is any confusion, please let me ask. Okay, so let's proceed to our further topic. Yes, before moving to our further topic, one point is left. Let's take it. Okay, so I have shown you the addition, right? So if I want to add 3 plus 3, right, students? So first number will be taken as the reference and we have to jump it. How many jumps? 3. So 1, 2 and 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 6. So yes, please anybody stand up and tell me, when we add 2 numbers, so in which direction we will move? Yes, so we will move in the right direction. And the right direction of the 0, right? Yes. So when we add something, when we add 2 whole numbers, this is a whole number and this is also a whole number. So when we add 2 whole numbers, so we always move to the right hand side of the number line. So please note down this point. When we add 2 whole numbers, so we always move to the right hand side of the number line. I hope this is clear to everybody, and please jot down this point. Yes, students, so we have done the addition operation. So what operation we will do here now? Yes, so we will operate subtraction, or we will learn how to represent subtraction on a whole number line, right? So yes, let's take again, have a one question. 5 minus 2. Okay, so here on the first, what you have to do as a fixed point, as we have done in the addition also, we will fix the first point, first number. So here 5 is here. So what I will do, I will fix it, and here written 2. So how many jump I have to take? 2 jump I have to take, but here written is subtraction. So the jump will be in backward direction. So first jump, second jump. Please understood this carefully. When we subtract these numbers, so first number will be fixed here. So 5 will be fixed, and as we are subtracting 2 here, so we need 2 jumps to be move on. But the movement will be in which direction? Forward or backward? Yes. So movement will be in the backward direction. So we will jump. How many jumps we need? 2. Very right, students. So we will move in backward direction and we will take 2 jumps. First jump and second jump. The second jump will be our answer. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So this is the way by which we can represent the subtraction on a whole number line, right? Yes. So I hope this is understood to everybody. If there any issue or any doubt in your mind, please ask me. Yes. Always we have to move in a backward direction when we subtract. Here we are taking only the number line of whole numbers. Okay. Yes, student, please tell me why we are calling it as whole number line. Why not we call it as a natural number line? Yes. Any guesses? Yes, observe the number line very carefully. I have told you earlier why we name it as a whole number line. Yes, because it starts from 0. That's why we take the here 0 as the reference point. So this number line will be known as the number line of whole numbers. Very right, students. So we can't say it as a natural number. If I want to say something, or if I want, okay, let me ask one question from you. If I want to start a number line, I want to draw here number line. So from what digit I will start? Yes, very good, students. So if I want to represent a natural whole number, so I have to start that whole natural number line from 1, right? And in this case 1 will be as the starting point. Very right. So 1 will be as the starting point and we will call it as a reference point if we represent the natural number lines. But here we have another addition of 0 in the natural number. So this number line will be known as whole number. Very right, students. So I hope this is understood to everybody. Okay, I am going to give you one question also. You will do here, right? Yes, students. So here is one question in front of you on your board. Please do this question on your notebook as quick, and you have to tell me its answer and how you have done. Yes, quickly give me answer. Very right. Okay, please student stand up. Yes. So what reference point or what I have to fix? Which number I have to fix here? 6. Okay. Okay. Tell me the procedure. I will do this for all the students on the board. Right? Okay. I have to fix 6 on the number line. And what about 2? Okay. I have to shift 2. I have to make 2 jumps. Okay. In forward direction or in backward direction? Backward. Why in backward direction? Yes, because we are subtracting. Very right, student. So first jump, second jump. So second jump will be our answer. So 6 minus 2 will be as 4. Very right, student. So I hope everyone has done like this. Please show me your notebooks. Everyone? Yes, very good. So I hope this is understood to each and every student. Okay. Very good, student. Now, let's summarize what we have done in our today's class. We have done whole number. Okay. So, anybody stand up and please tell me what is the definition of whole number. Okay, anybody. Very right, student. So, the addition of 0 to the natural number is known as the whole number. We have done what is the difference between whole number and natural number. Right. And we have studied its definition. How we have to define it. After defining, what we have learned? Yes, we have find out the successor and predecessor. Yes. So which number does not have the successor in whole numbers? Yes. So the last digit does not have any successor. We have done predecessor and successor. After that we have learned the number line. Very good. So what type of number line we have done? Whole number line. Very right, students. So whole number is starting from 0. Okay. And the distance between two consecutive numbers? Very right. Unit distance. Very right. I hope this is understood to everybody. After drawing whole number, what we have done? We have operated two basic operations. Addition, representation of addition and subtraction on number line. Yes. And we have learned in which direction we will move in addition and subtraction. Yes, in addition we will move in right hand side, but in subtraction we will move in left side or backward side. Yes, so this is we have done in our today's class. So I am going to give you homework. So let's jot down it quickly. So I hope you all jot down the homework, and please I am going to give you one home activity which will be very fun. You have to take an A4 sheet, and on A4 sheet you will draw a number line of any color you want to. You can use sketch colors, right? And you have to show the addition and subtraction on that A4 sheet, and you can use glitter paper also to represent the number lines. Okay, so this will be very interesting for you, and you will learn in addition and in subtraction how we will move in which direction. So I hope our today's class is understood to each and everybody, and thank you for joining the class.